Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to see unsent messages on Messenger. So the first way is open your Messenger application and then tap on the three lines at the top left corner. And then you need to tap on the gear icon, the settings at the top right of your screen. And then once you've done, scroll it down and you will see notifications and sounds. So just tap this one. And you need to make sure that you toggle on this notification. You need to make sure that you turned on these notification previews here on chats. You need to make sure that you show the notifications and allow floating notifications. And also you need to make sure that it will show all notifications and their content when on the lock screen. Now the second way is go to the settings on your Android phone. Then go ahead and tap on these notifications and control center. So go to app notifications on your settings. And here you need to find the messenger right here. So you just tap this one and you need to make sure that all of these are turned on, especially on show notifications, allow notification badges, allow floating notifications right here, and allow lock screen notifications. And here on chats, you need to make sure that you allow the floating notifications and also write this one. So you need to make sure that the notification is turned on. So when you have a message, it will notify you and you can read the message on your notification panel before they unsend their message on Messenger. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.